Making sushi at home could be intimidating. What if I told you we can easily transform salmon, rice, and seaweed into super tasty sushi cups?
You're gonna be surprised by how delicious they are.
After thoroughly rinsing the rice, transfer it to a rice cooker and pour the water inside. The ratio of rice to water is about 1 to 1 1/4. Choose the rice setting and cook for about 30 minutes. Remove the rice from the rice cooker. Let's cut the salmon into small cubes. First, cut it into thin slices. Then cut it into small cubes. In a bowl, combine the mayonnaise, Sriracha sauce. If you can't eat spicy food, you could also use ketchup and salt. Whisk. Add the salmon to the mixture and combine everything. Take the roasted seaweed. Cut each one of them in half. Do the same with the rest. Stack 2 sheets on top of each other. Scoop about 1½ tablespoons of warm rice on top. The residual heat will soften the seaweed, making it easier to place in the muffin tin. Repeat this with the remaining seaweed and rice. Add the salmon over the rice into each cup. They look so good already. We are almost there. Preheat the oven and place the muffin tin on the middle rack. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Let's slice the avocado. Cut it in half. Remove the pit. Peel off the skin. Cut it into thin slices, then cut it into small cubes. Add a piece of lemon or lime to prevent it from browning. Remove from the oven. Top each cup with sliced avocado. They're almost too stunning to eat, but don't worry, I won't stop you. The best part is you can customize them however you like with different toppings or fillings. The possibilities are endless.
They're absolutely delicious and so easy to make. If you also like to make baked shrimp sushi cup, check out the video right here and comment below and let me know what is your favorite filling for sushi. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!